Hello boys and girls, we are doing our math test today. So you need to get this paper out of your packet and get your name on the top. You will need some crayons and your pencil. Now remember, this is a test, so I want you to do this on your own. You can ask a grown-up if you don't understand a direction, but they can't give you the answers. You need to try your best and do it on your own, all right? So get your name on the top, and then we're going to go one question at a time and do the directions. When you're ready, I want you to put your finger on the red apple. And let's draw a circle around this number word. This number word is 10. I want you to draw a line from that word to the 10 frame that shows 10 counters. So draw a line from the word 10 to whichever 10 frame you think shows 10 counters. Put your finger on the yellow sun. I want you to draw me 10 counters and write the number 10. Draw me 10 counters and then write a number 10 on the line. You're going to need your crayons for the next part, so when you've got it, get those out. We're going to need our blue first. We're going to show a way to make 10 here by the green leaf. So it says to color 1 cube blue. So color that first cube blue. Then I want you to color the rest of the cubes red, and then count the red cubes and write how many right here. Anytime in this test you need to hit pause and finish a part of a problem and then come back and start the video again, you can do that. So color the rest of them red, count the red ones, and write how many right here. And then the last thing you're going to do is count all the cubes and write that number right here. Alright, the next two pages are multiple choice. That means you're going to color in that little bubble, that little circle under the answer you think is correct. So put your finger on the blue flower. I want you to color in under the number that shows how many counters there are at the beginning of the row. Which number shows how many counters are in this 10 frame? Put your finger on the purple butterfly. Mark under the set that shows this number at the beginning of the row. Which one of these sets of objects has this many objects in it? Mark under the set that shows that many. Put your finger on the brown nut. Mark beside the cube train that shows a way to make 10. Which one of these cube trains shows you a way to make 10? You're going to color in the little circle beside it. Put your finger on the pink heart. We're going to count forward. 5, 6, 7. What number would come next? Mark under the number that would come next that fills in that missing space. Which one of these numbers fills in that missing space? Put your finger on the fish. Look at all of these cube trains. Mark beside the cube train that has a greater number of cubes than the others. There's one cube train with a greater number of cubes than all the others. Mark beside that cube train. Put your finger on the shell. I want you to count each set of objects and mark beside the set that has a number of objects that is less than the other sets. One of these groups of objects is less than all the others. Count and figure out which group that is and mark beside it. Now these objects are all different sizes, so it might not just be the one that's shorter. You need to count each row and mark beside the set that is less than all the others. Put your finger on the orange. Look at the number at the beginning of this row. I want you to mark beside under the number that is greater than this number. Which one of these numbers is greater than the number at the beginning of the row. Put your finger on the turtle. This time I want you to mark under the number that is less than the number at the beginning of the row. Mark under the number that is less than this number. We are not going to do the back, so I just want you to put a big X on it. All right, you can go back, finish up anything you need to finish. Make sure your name is on the top, and I will check this and score it when you turn it in. Thank you.